Listen up, chumps. You're about to make some decent passive income, but in order to make bank, you're going to have to stop being a chucklehead and actually start listening to me when I give you a heads up on things. So what's doing? Well, I doubt you remember this, but a while back I told you to buy some goldbacks. What are goldbacks? Goldbacks look similar to paper money, except they're made with an amount of real gold. That means they can go up in value based on the gold price index, making them a rather decent investment in my opinion. You can even spend goldbacks in stores and shops just like the paper fiat currency you have been using. The reason I personally like goldbacks as opposed to fiat currency is that our paper money is losing value and buying power every day. Meanwhile, goldbacks have been steadily increasing in value as the price of gold has risen. So here are the actual numbers. Back in 2019, when I first told you to look into investing in goldbacks, they were available at a rate of $2.50 per goldback. Now the current value is at approximately $3.83. Now if my math is right, that's an increase of about 53.2% increase in value, or an annualized increase in value of about 15.3% per year. This rate of increased value exceeds the official consumer index inflation rate. Meanwhile, your fiat currency, the US dollar, has lost 17% of its value during that same period of time. Again, had you actually listened to me, you would have been in a much better place now than you actually are. Another reason I like goldbacks is that they can be spent in small, interchangeable increments, making them more suitable for commerce, as opposed to gold coins that are difficult to use for smaller trades and transactions. To me, easier use translates to better value. Goldbacks aren't the only investment medium out there, and goldbacks may not be for you. Personally, I like them, and the Nevada goldbacks I bought have done well for me. That's why I thought I would bring goldbacks to your attention once again. I'm not selling anything here, I'm not promoting anything. I haven't been paid by any goldback site to make this video. I just thought I would do you a solid and have your back here. So I suggest you just do a simple Google search on goldbacks, do a little research, and see if goldbacks are a fit for you. There are tons of places where you can buy them, including eBay, so shop around before you pull the trigger. I advise you stick with a reputable dealer rather than worry about saving a few cents per goldback. Alright? Hope I've helped you here. Maximum respect and all the best of life. Cheers.